This is the second part of Chapter 18 of Pax. Peter set the photo on the sill beside the block of wood, and he closed his eyes. He needed to visit some memories of Pax, too. Pax waiting at the door of his pen whenever Peter got home because he'd learned the whine of the school bus brakes. Nosing through his backpack for apple cores. Peeking out of his sweatshirt pocket. Peter had snuck him to school once, in second grade. He hadn't thought of the consequences to the kids, but had only wanted the secret comfort of his company. There had been a fire drill, and the alarm had terrified Pax. Peter had been sent home, and his father had been angry. But the way the kit had shivered and mewed had been the true punishment. The best memory was a quiet one. The winter before last had been cold with long stretches when Peter hadn't wanted to leave the fireplace to do his homework. It had been so cold that his father had relented and allowed Pax inside early to stretch out close to the fire. Pax would doze with his muzzle and front paws getting so hot that Peter kept checking them. Peter remembered his knuckles drifting down as he would read his history text to knead the fur between his pet's shoulder blades. Peace. He opened his eyes and lifted the butternut block. And in the pale light of the moon, he saw the fox in the wood. See you, Chapter 19.